Okay, so if you travel and after unpacking the suitcase, the clothes are very wrinkly, I have the solution for that. So is this Sundu? It's a mini iron. And first I want to say it is very convenient because if you see the palm of my hand, it's almost like as big as the palm of my hand. So it's pretty small and it fits everywhere. Um, so here it has the, I have here the measuring cup. So you want to put the water here for steam. Then also comes with instructions, very helpful, and it comes with a black carrying case. And this that I'm holding here, you see here lock and unlock, is to put it in between passes because obviously you don't want to burn the table or the bed sheets where you're laying flat the clothes that you're ironing. And besides that, I want to say if you're like seamstress that like to sew or stuff like that, then this is great for you to have it as well. It has only one dial, and here you control temperature, so you can bring it down for something delicate or you can crank it up for something like cotton and stuff like that. Other than that, I just feel here is where you really steam, and here is the minimum and max. So other than that, I just feel it's very useful, and even if you have a small closet, probably it will fit there without any problems. I'm planning to keep it for my kids' clothes because they're also small, but even for me, a t-shirt and stuff like that, this is awesome to have. So great buy. I really recommend you get one.